In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your life together in Notion. We're going to do that by setting up a simple Life OS style goal system, so you always know what you're working toward and where everything lives. You don't need any advanced setup to follow along. Just have Notion open in your browser or desktop app. First, head to your Notion home. This is your starting hub, where all your pages and workspaces live. From here, we're going to create a new space dedicated to your goals, which will sit at the core of your life organization system. On the left side, find the option to add something new. Click on Add New. This is where Notion offers you different templates and starting points. Instead of building everything from scratch, we're going to use one of Notion's built-in goal templates that we can later customize to fit your life. From the template options that appear, click on Set Team Goals, Achieve Together. Even if you're organizing your personal life, this template is useful because it's structured, it's clear, and it follows good practices for tracking goals and progress. Think of it as the backbone of your Life OS. Once that opens, look for the area that's currently highlighted or featured. Click on that highlight option to adjust how your goals are grouped, then choose By Status. Viewing goals by status is really helpful because it shows you what's in progress, what's planned, and what's completed at a glance. This reduces the mental clutter and gives you an instant sense of where things stand. Next, switch the view to focus on My Goals. Click on My Goals so the page filters down to the goals that are personally relevant to you rather than team-wide examples. This is where your Life OS starts to feel customized and personal. You'll be prompted to move forward with the setup. Click Continue, and then click Done to confirm. At this point, the template is added to your workspace and ready to use. Now, in your sidebar or on the page, locate the Goals tracker and click on it. This tracker is your central dashboard for all your goals. Inside, you'll see example goals, like increase sales by 20%. Click on one of these example goals. We're not using it for sales specifically. We're using it to understand the structure. Notice the properties, status, timeline, metrics. This is exactly how you'll structure your own life goals, like fitness, finances, learning, or personal projects. Click on the highlighted goal section again, then choose another example such as acquire 20K new users. Use these example entries as templates. Replace the titles and details with your real goals, so this becomes a clear, structured system that keeps your life together in one Notion hub.